Thanks to the SendPulse, OpenAI, and Anthropic integration, you can connect ChatGPT and Claude to your chatbots or live chat to deliver quick and accurate responses to users' manual requests. Let's take a look at how it works. First, a user types in a request in your chatbot flow. Then, your bot sends this request to ChatGPT or Claude using the API. The text of this request serves as a context for the response message this user will receive. All new manual user requests in your chatbots are processed separately without saving previous messages. Let's explore how to set up these flows and connect ChatGPT and Claude to them. ChatGPT manual request. Go to the template gallery in the chatbots section of your SendPulse account. Find the ChatGPT manual request flow template and select a chatbot you want to add it to. In the first flow message, outline your chatbot features and explain how it can help users. Next, create a string-type request variable to store user requests and use it as context to generate ChatGPT responses. You can create a variable in your chatbot's audience tab or the message element. The following API request element uses the OpenAI key global variable to store your OpenAI API key. To generate this key, go to the API keys section in your OpenAI account and create a new secret key. Copy and save it. We've added the link to the API keys section in the description. Go to the chatbot settings in your SendPulse account, and in the Bot Variables tab, add the string type OpenAI key variable. In the value field, paste the copied API key from your OpenAI account. Let's go back to the API request element in your chatbot flow. The JSON request body defines the GPT model that will process user requests and user roles. This indicates that this model will take requests as those originating from a user and generate responses tailored to this message context. You can also add top-level instructions to customize the model's behavior when generating responses to user messages. To do this, add a line with the system role to the request body and type in your prompt in the context field. To give you an idea, you can set a conversation tone and limit response topics. Apply the changes and test your chatbot flow. Claude manual request. Claude is a family of large language models developed by Anthropic. Claude uses constitutional AI, focusing on ethical principles and providing a safe and valuable user experience. SendPulse offers an Anthropic integration and allows you to connect Claude to your chatbots or live chat. To do this, follow these steps. Just like with ChatGPT, we added a ready-made flow template titled Claude 3 AI Manual Request to the template gallery. Start by copying it into your chatbot. In the first flow message, outline your chatbot features and explain how it can help users. In the filter element, add the attempts variable of the number type to limit subscriber requests. You can create a variable in your chatbot's audience tab or flow elements, in particular, the message element. Add the string type request variable to your message element to save the subscriber's response. Once you create the attempts variable, it will appear on your bot variable list. Add variable validation conditions in the filter element. In the API request element, create the Anthropic key global variable to store your Anthropic API key. To generate this key, go to the API keys section in your Anthropic account. Create, copy, and save your key. You can find the link to the API keys section in the description. Go to the chatbot settings in your SendPulse account, and in the Bot Variables tab, add a string type variable titled Anthropic key. In the value field, paste the copied API key from your Anthropic account. Next, let's go back to the API request element in your flow. The JSON request body defines the Claude model that will process the request and assigns the user role, which implements user requests as context to generate responses. You can also add top-level instructions to customize the model's behavior when generating responses to user messages by adding context for the system role. Apply the changes and test your flow. To sum it up, manual user requests in your chatbot are processed by the language model based on request context. Previous messages won't be saved. A user decides what information to provide to the model as a response context. You can also limit response topics and customize your bot's behavior by setting up instructions. If you want to create a chatbot that addresses conversational context and operates according to your instructions, connect an AI assistant. We have talked about how to create and connect an assistant to your SendPulse-powered chatbots in one of our previous videos. You can find the link to it in the description.